Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A10s and let me share with you how to enable call waiting on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer and let's tap on this three dot icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down a little and tap on supplementary services. And as you can see, I've got some problems with my SIM card, and that's why in my case the call waiting option is not active, but no worries. If you will have your card activated, then it will be also active, and all you will have to do in order to turn it on is to tap on the switch right here. And since this ball will be on the right side, it means that it is activated, and then you will be able to hear a sound if you will get another call when you're already on the phone. So actually this is it. This is how to enable call waiting in your Samsung Galaxy A10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.